This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working in the footwell on the driver's side, unscrew the centre pin and extract the plastic rivet securing the inner trim panel to the base of the fascia. Pull the panel away to release the 3 retaining clips at the rear and remove the trim panel. Unscrew the retaining screw and remove the pollen filter cover. Slide the filter element from the housing. Note the arrows on the side of the element indicating airflow. The arrows must point to the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new element into the housing. Refit the filter cover and secure it with the retaining screw. Manoeuvre the trim panel into position and secure the rear clips. Insert the plastic rivet, then press in the centre pin to secure it.